This video will show you how to make a selection of coffees using the Smeg BCC13 automatic bean-to-cup coffee machine. Begin by turning the machine on. The power button can be found at the side of the coffee machine. The machine will begin a heating phase and the buttons will light up, flashing in sequence. At the end of the heating, a self-cleaning cycle of the internal circuits is carried out, and once the cycle is finished, the machine is ready to be used. Fill the water tank with fresh water and insert back into the machine. Then fill the bean hopper with fresh beans. Only use the amount required. This is to ensure that the coffee remains as fresh as possible. Unused beans left in the hopper will be exposed to oxygen and heat and are likely to reduce in quality over time. Located inside the central section of the machine is a dial. Here you can adjust the fineness of the grind. By adjusting the grind, you will be able to draw out different flavours from the coffee. Adjusting the grind level towards the fine setting is likely to give you a stronger coffee, whilst the coarse setting will be weaker. Only adjust the grind level when the bean hopper is empty or whilst the machine is grinding the coffee. This will protect the grinding mechanism over the long term. The coffee machine has 10 functions, available through two menus, the white menu and the orange menu. By pressing the menu button, it's possible to change the dispensing menu from white to orange and back again. The white menu offers the following coffee: espresso, coffee, hot water, cappuccino and latte macchiato. The orange menu offers espresso light, long espresso, americano, espresso macchiato and milk foam. If preparing a drink without milk, place a cup underneath the dispensing spout and select your desired drink. Each program is designed to automatically stop once the drink has been dispensed. To prepare milk-based drinks, pour your milk into the milk container provided. To obtain the best results, it's preferable to use whole or semi-skimmed milk at fridge temperature. Next, insert the milk tube. Open the safety cap. Connect the milk tube to the dispenser, taking care to insert the correct end of the tube. Completely immerse the other end into the milk container. Ensure to rinse the milk tube connection frequently for optimum results. With a cup underneath the milk dispenser, press the button of the desired drink. The machine dispenses milk first, then coffee, and then stops automatically at the end of the drink. After making a milk-based drink, the Easy Cleaning button lights up, indicating that a complete cleaning of the milk circuit is advised. It's possible to continue dispensing additional drinks without carrying out cleaning by pressing any of the drinks buttons. Or you can immediately proceed with the cleaning of the milk circuit. For instructions and tips on how to clean the circuits and connection tube, please click on the link in the description. During the preparation of any drink, it's possible to stop the coffee or milk production simply by pressing the chosen coffee button for a second time. To program the quantity of coffee or milk dispensed from the program buttons, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. The selected button will start flashing and you will hear an audible beep. On pressing the same button again, it will stop the coffee production and memorise the quantity dispensed. If making a combined coffee and milk-based drink, at the beginning still hold the desired program button down until it flashes and beeps. Then press the same button again to confirm the quantity of milk. And then again for coffee. To revert back to the original factory settings and drink length, simply press and hold the power button with the menu button for 3 seconds. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.